how to fix Instagram story posting error easily and fast in 2022 or 2023 easily. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to the settings on your Android phone or even on your iPhone or iOS. So all what you have to do, guys, is simple. Go to the apps manager on your phone, go to apps. Now right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. As you can see, TikTok, WhatsApp, YouTube. Now all what you have to do is scroll until you find the Instagram app and click on it like this. Now all what you have to do is go to the permissions right here and make sure to enable all the permissions from the camera to the storage. And after that, go back again here and click on the storage option and click on clear data and clear cache. Then go back again and this time go to this power usage details option down here. Click on it and make sure to enable the consumption alert right here. Then go back and click on force stop, and now reopen Instagram, and congratulations, the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.